This is a swivel boat seat sent to me from Better Boat. This box is about the size of a shoebox, I'd say, and there's also some measurements and specifications on the box as well. Speaking of the box, here's the different sides, mostly just what you'd normally see on the sides of products. Product information, company background stuff. Let's open it up and see what comes with this. Looks like there's this one big package and nothing else in the box, so this should be about everything. So on the top immediately I see some stickers, so that's fun. A product advertisement for other Better Boat products, and an important notice, it looks like, for working this swivel seat. So this is the only loose piece besides the seat itself, it looks like. Looks like a PVC pipe, I think, with a couple notches at the end. Pulling this out of the bag, this is the main seat itself, it looks like. Looking on the box, this is so far the only thing that I can find for instructions, but it says that with the bolts and the washers, you're supposed to lock this to where the base of the seat will go, or where a seat can be inserted or placed on a boat. And I don't know if this safety note is the same as the insert we saw, but it's good to know, I guess, that the seat is designed to lock in without applying downward pressure. As for the seat itself, there's one of the washers. Another one, the bolts, same on this side, there's those. Here's what the bottom looks like. This part feels kind of greasy, I think, so I don't know if there's some lubricant that was applied to this or not. There's some more there. So when working with this, probably work with gloves, I'd say. That's the most I can really show right now, though. I don't have a boat on me at the moment, and from what it looks like, this is just the swivel and rotational part that you would put a chair on top of. So I'm still not sure what this does, but that's mostly it for this swivel base.